Scenario 1. You are a study group leader preparing for an exam review session. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once. Hi everyone, thanks for coming to the review session. We will cover chapters 5 through 8. I have prepared a handout with key concepts. Let's start by going over the main topics. Please feel free to interrupt with questions. We will take a short break after the first hour. At the end, I'll share some practice questions for you to work on. Scenario 2. You are giving instructions at the start of a fitness class. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Repeat only once. Welcome to today's fitness class. Please find a spot on the floor with your mat. We will begin with a light warm-up. Listen to your body and take breaks if needed. Water is available at the back of the room. Let me know if you have any injuries before we start. At the end of class, we will finish with a cool-down stretch. Scenario 3. You are a student advisor welcoming new students to orientation. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say. Remember to repeat only once. Good morning, and welcome to orientation. My name is Alex, and I'll be your advisor. I'll be sharing important information about campus resources. Your orientation packet includes a map and a schedule. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We will take a campus tour after this video. I look forward to working with you throughout the semester.